This was the moment NASA scientists had been waiting for.
Taking off, goosebumps. It looks just the way we had tested in our test chamber, space simulator chamber here. Absolutely beautiful flight. I don't think I can ever stop watching it over and over again.
It was the Ingenuity helicopter making history this week on Mars by completing the first powered, controlled flight by an aircraft over the surface of another planet. NASA called it their Wright brothers moment, named for the duo that achieved the first successful flight in 1903. Acting NASA Administrator Steve Jurczyk calls Ingenuity's flight a crucial next step in space exploration.
Ingenuity was a technology demonstration, an experimental mission, but its success is truly remarkable, and it gives us this new capability.
That new capability came with challenges, says Ingenuity project manager Mimi Ong.
It looks easy. I would like to take this opportunity to remind how difficult it is to fly a rotorcraft at Mars. First and foremost, because the atmosphere there is so thin, right? About 1% compared to that at Earth. That's like on Earth being elevation 3 times the height of Himalayas.
Scientists at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory cheered the 39-second, 10-meter vertical flight when the images from Mars were beamed back to Earth. NASA says the success could create new ways to travel on Mars or other planets in our solar system. Also from Mars, news that NASA made oxygen. A device on board the Perseverance rover called MOXIE created 5 grams of oxygen from the atmosphere, which is enough to breathe for 10 minutes. NASA says it does this by breathing like a tree, inhaling the Martian atmosphere, which is rich in carbon dioxide, and exhaling oxygen. NASA says the technology is the first of its kind that may help future missions live off the land on other worlds. Meanwhile, aboard the International Space Station, NASA astronaut Shannon Walker took over from outgoing commander Sergei Ryzhikov.
Thank you, Sergei. It is truly an honor and a privilege to accept command of the International Space Station and the responsibility for this amazing orbiting laboratory that we have up here. And, as you say, to carry on the traditions of international cooperation in space.
Ryzhikov and 2 others left the ISS after a 185-day mission. Finally, this week, the European Space Agency is set to host the 8th European Conference on Space Debris. An estimated 129 million objects bigger than a millimeter orbit our planet. Experts warn this flying junk threatens to create even more debris when it inevitably crashes into orbiting satellites. Arash Arabasadi, VOA News.